Imagine knowing exactly where the fish are hiding before you even cast your line. These fish finders make that dream a reality. The Lucky Portable Fish Finder is a compact device designed for anglers who want a simple yet effective way to locate fish. At first glance, its lightweight design and easy-to-read LCD screen make it clear this gadget was built with convenience in mind. You'll appreciate how easy it is to carry around. Whether you're fishing from a boat, dock, or shore, this fish finder uses sonar technology to detect fish and underwater structures up to a decent depth, giving you a solid edge without overwhelming you with complicated features. The display provides clear indications of fish location and water depth, allowing you to focus more on fishing and less on guessing. Using this device feels like having a secret advantage. You'll find yourself spotting fish faster and adapting your technique on the fly. Have you ever wondered how much more productive your fishing trips could be with a little help from technology? One thing to keep in mind is that the screen can be a bit hard to see in bright sunlight, but it's a small trade-off for the price and portability. If you want a straightforward fish finder that's easy to use and won't break the bank, the Lucky Portable Fish Finder is a solid choice that could make your next trip your best one yet. The Garmin Striker Vivid Fish Finder stands out as a premium choice for serious anglers who want detailed underwater visuals. Right away, the vibrant color screen grabs your attention, making fish and underwater structures pop with impressive clarity. This device is perfect for those who crave precision without sacrificing ease of use. Equipped with chirp sonar and vivid high-resolution imaging, it scans deeper and with more detail than many other models in its range. The GPS feature is a bonus, allowing you to mark hotspots and navigate confidently on the water. It's a complete package that merges technology and performance seamlessly. Fishing with this tool feels almost effortless because you can see exactly where the fish are hiding and plan your moves accordingly. Doesn't the idea of having a bird's eye view beneath the surface sound like the ultimate fishing hack? The only drawback might be the price, which is higher compared to basic models, but the additional features justify the investment for those who fish regularly. If you're ready to upgrade your fishing gear and want a fish finder that delivers vibrant visuals and smart GPS integration, the Garmin Striker Vivid is definitely worth considering. The Real Sonar iBobber is a modern take on fish finders, combining portability with wireless convenience. What really caught my attention was how easy it connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, transforming your phone into a detailed fish-finding display. That means no extra bulky screens or cables to worry about. This compact device floats on water and sends sonar data straight to your phone, showing fish locations, water depth, and temperature in real time. Its portability and wireless setup make it perfect for kayak, boat, or shore fishing, and the app interface is surprisingly intuitive. Using the iBobber makes fishing feel more interactive and tech-savvy, giving you a sense of control and insight like never before. Can you imagine how much easier your fishing trips could be with your phone doing all the heavy lifting? The only small downside is that it depends on your phone's battery and Bluetooth range, so you need to keep those in mind on longer trips. For anyone who loves fishing but also values smart tech and portability, the Real Sonar iBobber offers a fresh, modern approach that's both fun and effective. Hummingbird's Fish Finder is a reliable mid-range option that balances performance and affordability. From the moment I started using it, I noticed how clear and responsive the sonar imaging was, making it easy to identify fish and underwater structures without any guesswork. This unit features a crisp backlit display and straightforward controls that make it accessible even for beginners. Its sonar technology provides consistent readings, and the compact design fits comfortably on any small boat or kayak. Fishing with this device feels more productive because you spend less time guessing and more time catching. Doesn't it feel great to have a dependable tool that really improves your chances? One thing to note is that while it's solid for basic use, advanced anglers might miss more sophisticated mapping features found in pricier models. If you want a dependable fish finder that won't overwhelm you with complexity, but still improves your fishing trips, the Humminbird Fish Finder is a reliable companion to have on board. The Hawkeye FishPod Bluetooth Fish Finder offers an affordable and user-friendly way to locate fish using your smartphone. Right away, the wireless design impressed me because it eliminates the hassle of wires and heavy screens. It's small, lightweight, and easy to deploy from any fishing spot. The sonar data transmits smoothly to the companion app, providing real-time updates on fish location, water depth, and temperature. This simplicity doesn't mean it lacks power. Its sonar range is surprisingly effective for its price, making it ideal for casual anglers and weekend fishers. Using the fish pod feels liberating since you can move around freely without being tethered to a bulky device. Who wouldn't want to fish smarter and lighter? A minor limitation is that app features can vary depending on your smartphone, so some users might find the interface less polished on older devices. If you want a budget-friendly portable fish finder that pairs seamlessly with your phone, the Hawkeye Fish Pod is a smart choice that makes fishing more accessible and fun. The Humminbird Explorer Series GPS Fish Finder is a top-tier device designed for anglers who demand excellence and advanced functionality. Its large, high-definition screen and powerful sonar imaging deliver unparalleled detail, allowing you to see fish and underwater terrain with incredible precision. This model integrates sophisticated GPS mapping, waypoint marking, and advanced sonar technologies, making it perfect for serious fishing expeditions and professionals. The build quality is robust, built to withstand harsh marine environments while maintaining peak performance. Fishing with the Explorer series feels like having a professional guide by your side, giving you confidence and insight no matter where you fish. Isn't it amazing to think that technology can bring you that close to underwater life? The main consideration here is the premium price, which might be out of reach for casual anglers, but is justified for those who fish frequently and want the best. If you're ready to invest in a fish finder that combines cutting-edge tech with durability and precision, the Humminbird Explorer series is an unmatched tool that could redefine your fishing experience. The Humminbird Piranha Max 4 Fish Finder offers excellent value with its clear-down imaging sonar and user-friendly interface. When I tested it, the crisp display and detailed underwater views stood out, helping me identify fish and underwater structures efficiently. Its compact size and simple setup make it ideal for small boats or kayaks, and the down imaging technology adds depth to your understanding of the underwater environment. The controls are intuitive enough that even newcomers can start fishing smarter right away. Using this fish finder made my fishing trips more productive and enjoyable, as I could focus on where the fish actually were instead of hoping for the best. Wouldn't you want that advantage every time you cast your line? The screen size is modest, which might feel a bit limited for some, but the clarity more than compensates for it. For anglers seeking a solid, affordable fish finder with down imaging capabilities, the Piranha Max 4 is a trustworthy choice that delivers clear results. The Danaplus Portable Fish Finder is a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice essential features. From my experience, its compact design and decent sonar depth range make it a useful tool for casual fishing outings. It's straightforward to use with a clear LCD screen showing fish and depth information without clutter. This device is perfect for those who want a no-fuss fish finder to improve their chances without spending too much. It performs well in calm waters and provides reliable readings to help you locate fish faster. Fishing with the Danaplus feels like having a helpful assistant in your pocket. Simple, effective, and always ready. Have you ever wished for a tool that's easy enough for beginners but still delivers results? On the downside, the screen visibility in strong sunlight could be better, but considering the price, it's an acceptable compromise. If you're looking for an affordable fish finder that covers the basics and fits easily into your gear, the Danaplus Portable Fish Finder is a great place to start.